Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks in M1 Finance. M1 Finance is a unique platform that empowers you to build and manage a custom investment portfolio, often referred to as a PI. It's designed for long-term investors who appreciate automation and control. You can invest in individual stocks, exchange-traded funds, or even pre-built expert portfolios, all while benefiting from fractional share investing, which means you can invest any amount you choose. Getting started with M1 Finance is straightforward. First, you'll need to open an investment account, which involves providing some basic personal details. Once your account is set up, the next crucial step is to link your external bank account. This allows for seamless and secure electronic transfers to fund your investments. Remember, you'll need to deposit a minimum of $100 to activate your account and begin building your portfolio. Now for the fun part, building your investment pie. This is where you select the individual stocks or exchange-traded funds you want to include in your portfolio. You then assign a specific percentage to each of these holdings, determining how much of your total investment goes into each. M1 Finance's intelligent automation will then ensure your portfolio stays true to these target allocations, even rebalancing it for you over time. M1 Finance operates on a daily trading window, typically executing all trades at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. This means your buy and sell orders are processed once a day. To truly automate your investing, consider setting up recurring deposits, perhaps weekly or monthly, to consistently add to your pie. Regularly monitor your portfolio's performance and don't hesitate to adjust your pie's allocations as your financial goals and market outlook change.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.